Before you begin, remove 7 of the rubber inserts, the stand bottom cover, the fan, the M.2 solid-state drive if it's installed, and the speaker mesh. Removal. Remove the 8 P2 Phillips head screws from the stand top cover. Carefully turn over the stand top cover assembly and place it face down. Detach the tape securing the speaker and volume dial cables to the motherboard. Disconnect the speaker's cable from the motherboard. Lift the speakers off of their standoffs on the stand top cover assembly and detach the speaker's cable from the securing guides. Replacement. Place the speakers onto their standoffs on the stand top cover assembly and route the speaker's cable behind the cable guides. Connect the speaker's cable to the motherboard. Attach the tape to secure the speaker's cable and volume dial board cable to the motherboard. Carefully turn the stand top cover assembly over and place it face up. Replace the 8 P2 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the stand top cover.